Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to this channel, and today we're talking about something that might sound too good to be true. Making money by just watching ads and videos. It sounds like a dream, but trust me, it is possible, and I'm here to walk you through how you can do it step by step. Whether you're looking for a way to make some extra cash or just want to try out something fun in your spare time, this is definitely a way you can start earning. I know what you might be thinking. How do I actually make money doing something as easy as watching videos? Well, today we are diving into the top platforms and methods that let you do just that. So grab a seat and let's get into it. First of all, let's talk about how this whole thing works. You don't need any special skills and you don't need to be expert at anything. All you need is an internet connection, a computer or a smartphone, and a little bit of a free time. Basically, there are platforms out there that will pay you for engaging with video content, specifically ads or videos. The way it works is simple. You sign up for these sites, watch a few videos, and get rewarded with points, cash, or even gift cards. It is not going to replace your full-time job, but it is a fun and easy way to make little extra money while doing something you already do every day. Now you might be asking, how much can I really make by watching videos? Great question. The answer is that it depends. The amount you earn will vary based on the platform and the country or the videos you watch. On average, you can expect to make anywhere from few cents to a couple of dollars for each video you watch. It might not be enough to quit your day job, but it is a nice little side hustle to have in your pocket. And if you're really into it, some platforms even offer higher payouts for longer videos or specific tasks you can do in addition to watching content, like signing up for offers or referring friends. But also don't worry, all of the platforms I will mention are available worldwide. Alright, now let's get into the good stuff, the platforms you can use to start earning money today. These are the ones I've personally tried or researched, and they are totally legit. No scams here, I promise. Number one is Swash. First of all, let's talk about Swash. This is a browser extension that rewards you for watching videos and browsing the web. You might already be watching ads while you surf on the internet like YouTube, but Swash takes it on one step further by actually rewarding you for it. The best part is that you don't have to do much. Just install the extension and it runs in the background while you do your thing. Over time, the tokens you earn can be converted into cash or used for other rewards. The downside to Swash is that they take your data. So if you don't want that, then use the other platforms. The second platform is Jamtask. Jamtask is all about either watching videos, doing surveys, or downloading apps. Every time you watch a video or ad, you earn Jam tokens. This is their form of cryptocurrency. If you are into crypto or just want to try something new, this is a great way to get your feet wet. The more you engage, the more tokens you accumulate, and then you can trade it for cash when you are ready. Last but not least is Honeygain. Honeygain is a unique platform that allows you to make money passively by sharing your internet data, but also to watch videos and ads. By simply installing the Honeygain app on your device, you can start earning while you sleep. Honeygain offers a great way to earn money by watching ads and videos. Once you sign up, you can start earning rewards by engaging with content on the platform, whether it's watching short ads or completing simple video tasks. Honeygain rewards you for your time, and it is an easy, fun way to make money passively. The more videos you watch, the more you can earn. It is perfect for anyone looking to make some extra cash while relaxing or during your free time. Honeygain is available on multiple devices, and it is also available worldwide, just like the other platforms. So if you are looking for a simple, no effort way to make some extra cash, watching ads and videos is a great choice. It is easy, quick, and doesn't require any special skills or age or experience. Just sign up for the platform, start watching, and let those earnings stack up. Whether you're looking to earn a little extra on the side or make use of some free time, this is a great way to get started. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out. Also share it with your friends who could use a little extra cash too. Thank you for watching.